Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Meta launches Muse Code AI tool to compete with OpenAI, and Anthropic Meta has entered the automated coding space with the beta release of Muse Code, an agentic AI tool designed for developers. This software can plan, write, and validate code to execute complex software engineering tasks autonomously. Alongside the tool, Meta launched Spark 1.2, a coding-focused update to its flagship AI model available via Muse Code and the Meta Model API. As tech giants pour billions into AI infrastructure, Meta's Superintelligence Labs aims to capitalize on enterprise demand for AI-driven development tools. And then Zebronics launches Zeb-Party Fyre 800 portable speaker in India. Zebronics has expanded its audio lineup with the launch of the Zeb-Party Fyre 800, a portable party speaker priced at an introductory 14,999 rupees on Reliance Digital. Delivering a powerful 160 watts RMS output via a quad drive setup, the speaker features dual wireless microphones for karaoke, dedicated controls for mic and guitar inputs, and 9 synchronized RGB lighting modes. It offers TWS stereo pairing, Bluetooth 5.3, USB, and AUX connectivity, backed by a built-in battery providing up to 6 hours of playback time. Itel Ace 3 Heera feature phone launched in India. Itel has launched the Itel Ace 3 Heera feature phone in India, priced at 949 rupees. Available in black, blue, and purple, it serves as the successor to the Ace 2 Heera. The phone sports a 1.8-inch display and is powered by a 1000 mAh battery that offers up to 9.64 hours of talk time, supported by a USB Type-C port and an AI battery management system. Additional features include Bluetooth, wireless FM recording, auto call recording, up to 32 GB expandable storage, and the King Talker voice assistant with support for 10 regional languages. Oppo F35 Pro tipped to launch in India. With 10,000 mAh battery, Oppo is reportedly gearing up to launch its F35 Pro smartphone in India by late August, with an expected price between 40,000 rupees and 45,000 rupees. Rumored to be a rebranded Oppo A7 Pro Max, it could feature a massive 10,000 mAh battery housed within an 8.57mm thin body. The device is tipped to sport a 6.78-inch 120Hz 1.5 KLTP OLED display, a Snapdragon 4 Gen 5 processor, 50 megapixel rear and front cameras, and robust IP66/IP68/IP69K durability ratings. URXR mixed reality glasses passed $500,000 on Kickstarter in 24 hours. Unseen Reality's crowdfunding campaign for its URXR mixed reality glasses surpassed $500,000 within 24 hours, far exceeding its initial $50,000 target. Weighing just 93 grams, the ultralight tethered headset is designed for viewing flat-screen content, games, and productivity apps. It features dual 1.03-inch micro-OLED displays with 2448 by 2064 resolution pancake optics and built-in slam tracking for 3DOF and 6DOF modes. Priced from $800 during the campaign, the device connects to PCs and smartphones, with shipments expected in fall 2026. CMF launches Clip Pro open-ear earbuds. CMF by Nothing has launched the Clip Pro, its first open-ear earbuds featuring a 3-point clip design with an elastic titanium wire cord. Each earbud weighs 5.9 grams and incorporates a 10.8mm dual magnet dynamic driver, high-res audio certification, and ultra-bass technology. The earbuds offer 4 HD microphones, A smart dial built into the charging case for volume and playback controls. Bluetooth 5.4 and up to 32.5 hours of total playback. Priced at $99/£79, the CMF Clip Pro will not be released in India. Today's AI tool is Unifab Video Enhancer AI-powered upscaling. Solution Unifab Video Enhancer is an advanced AI tool designed to upscale lower resolution videos up to 8K clarity. It features tailored enhancement models for both standard and animated content, ensuring optimal results. Its AI denoise technology automatically detects and removes noise, restoring sharp details and color fidelity in low light footage. Additionally, Unifab doubles as a comprehensive converter and editor, supporting over 1,000 formats alongside built-in trimming, cropping, and effect tools. It offers creators a seamless way to elevate video quality with remarkable speed and precision. Our lead story is about Google Assistant phasing out in September, Gemini to take over. Google has begun notifying users that Google Assistant will be phased out from Android smartphones starting September 4th, fully replacing it with Gemini. The transition will roll out gradually over several weeks. Once complete, users will no longer be able to switch back to Google Assistant on Android phones, tablets, Wear OS smartwatches, or paired headphones. Gemini will serve as the sole default AI assistant, handling voice commands via Hey Google or long pressing the power button to manage smart home controls, timers, and music playback. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.